Just a little bit of trivia here. See this blue dot right here? Anybody know what that blue dot means? Alright folks, there's another blue dot right there. See that blue dot? Anybody know what that blue dot means? Alright folks, TGIF. There's the wind gauge over there. Not that bad. You can even less than that when the sun comes up. You got 4 boats already launched. There's, counting those is 5. There's 2 more right there. There's 2 more going out the canal over there. 3 more. It'll be crowded today on this Friday TGIF type day. Hey folks, top of the morning to you. We're over here by the point, and we're heading out. Beautiful. Best time of the day, folks. I'm telling you, it's just gorgeous this early in the morning. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Big Rudy's getting all his stuff ready up there, cameras and so on. Excel. There's the pink sky coming up, folks, right there. Got a little shot of it. Damn, boy, that place stinks, man. I feel sorry for that restaurant. You gotta eat food there and smell that stuff. Woo. Clean shot, folks, clean shot. They all went out to 174, I guess. Whoop, clean shot, folks, clean shot. He's down there quite a ways. Alright, folks, we're going to have to move on a little bit further. You got too many boats here, we just can't throw. Doesn't look that bad out. Maybe I'm all wet. Looks like they got a little gap out there. Might be able to throw a little ways. If not, we'll go hit Highway 11. You're coming out and throw. Alright, Big Rudy's got one, folks.
Oh, he's on top of the water. I'll say it's a trout. He's a trout. It's a trout.
Todd ain't made up his mind yet whether it's coming in or going down. There we go, folks. What is it? Nice, nice. It's pulling. It's pulling. Ah, nice trout. On the big lure. Hey, folks, Rudy's on. Rudy's got one. Come on, Rudy. Get him in here, Rudy. Oh, better him than me. Alright, folks, Rudy's hooked up again. Got another one here.
Let's see. Doesn't feel like a trout.
Don't feel like a trout?
Be a big cat.
Starting to pull now. Got the catfish, you know. And City's got another one, folks.
Yeah,
looks like it might be a good one.
Like a decent fish. I don't know what we got. Pulling off drag at one time. Eased up a little bit. Yeah.
Whoa, God. Nice. That's beautiful, man. Woo.
Guys,
So how big is he?
With that lemon head in.
How many inches is he?
He's about 19 and a half.
Rudy got another one, folks.
Not much.
Said it don't feel like much. I think this guy's following us.
I think so. Still on, whatever he is, but he's giving me a lot of confidence.
Wow!
Giving me a lot of confidence.
Well, no.
A little bit.
What you got with?
Yeah.
The unknown. Whoa.
Croaker.
Croaker.
Big croaker.
All right, folks. Been a while. Went out to mile marker 175. Fished the east side for a while, and we came back on the west side. I hooked up and didn't get in. He just hooked up. Kind of slow. But man told me the bite's at 10:30 to 12:30, so we're gonna hang tight. See what we can do. Got nothing better to do.
Yeah, feel like a kitty cat.
Cat? Oh man. It's alright, I'll take it. Catfish is good. I think it's a flounder myself. It's about flounder time. That's what the beauty about fishing. You don't know what you got until you reel it all the way in. And you have to think, man, it could be a 9-pound trout. It could be a nice flounder. There you go.
On the big one.
On the big one. Flounder on the big one,
You
folks.
want the flounders, boss? I'm not.
No, I don't want to.
What we got? What we got?
Big Rudy got one, folks. Now the game is what we got. We don't know. We switched over to Highway 11 to try for a little while. He hooked up right away though.
Flounder.
Flounder.
He took it deep, too.
Got the flounder, you got something else hung
I
on
got
it.
something else down there. I think it's an old line or something. Yeah, it's somebody's line.
They call him a good trolling rod, folks. Look at that. Woo. A flounder and a trolling rod. Folks, Rudy's got another one. He thinks it's another rod and reel. Got a lot of line. Might be. Might be. Might. Beautiful day, folks. Light breeze, southeast breeze. Perfect. Rising water, rising tide all day. We got a few. We're going to do a chair shot in a minute. Give everybody a chance to see them. All right, folks, that is 8 nice size shot. Somebody's going to eat good tonight. The bait, folks. Watch the minutes. Nothing but bait right there. Back in got a point. Surprised there's nobody fishing here, man. It's nice and cool under the trees. Friday. It should be open for lunch. There's the wind days, folks. Not that bad. It really isn't. Beautiful out there. I just got tired. I got hot. Once I get hot, it's like when I get cold, I gotta go in. Start feeling noisy and all that good stuff, you know. Big Rudy's over there going to get the boat. Somebody Blantley cleaning his fish over there. Captain Blantley.